So I've been using this device for a week now and it's time to share my real thoughts about this device. Is it a good daily driver or is it not? Let's find out. First of all, let's talk about the design and build aspects of this smartphone. Since it's a budget segment smartphone, many people might think this aspect might be a weak point of it. But in fact, this is one of the strongest points to buy the smartphone. Design wise, it looks absolutely stunning that it would make you rule out that opinion. One thing that instantly caught me is the lightweight factor of the smartphone. I have said it already, but will say it again. It is one of the most lightweight smartphone I've ever saw in this price range. Everything about the smartphone design screams good enough to become a daily driver. Even the build quality is close to being good for me, since I'm not a big fan of these all plastic bags. However, since it's a budget friendly device, it might be criminal to expect more. And also, POCO has given this device a wide array of protection features such as Gorilla Glass Victus 2, IP66, 68, 69 rated splash-proof protection, BetTouch 2.0, and more. So overall, design and build-wise, this smartphone is built like a tank, and you would not find a device with these kind of features at this price range. So let's talk about the performance and display aspects of the smartphone. This device out of the box comes with 6.6-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 3000 nits peak brightness. Whether under direct sunlight or in low light conditions, this device shines all day. The color reproduction is good and is certainly giving razor sharp visuals at any time, thanks to its high refresh rate display. Speaking about the visuals, these are the outcomes of having a powerful processor working behind the scenes. This phone is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, a chipset that's definitely going to rule the budget smartphone segment for a while. I'm saying this because it is using a 4 nanometer architecture, which is the most efficient till date. The octa-core processor in it is efficient enough to run every possible daily task, occasional gaming, and binge watching. Aside from the build quality, this is also a huge plus point for this device. So if you are a binge watcher like me, I would definitely recommend you this device for sure. Another aspect that has made this smartphone amazing is its operating system. Out of the box, it comes with HyperOS, which is the new and optimized version of MIUI. I think this is the first smartphone in India shipping with it out of the box. Everything in this operating system was right on point, and also the level of bloatware is a lot manageable right now. Now I can clearly say that this operating system has made a giant leap when it comes to usability. However, this device is still sporting LPDDR4X RAM combined with UFS 2.2 storage, which I think has decreased the overall usability factor of this operating system. These factors are where its Pro Series brother X7 Pro shines. I think POCO took this step to make X7 more affordable, and generally speaking, this aspect is quite negligible as the given configuration here works in such a way that we won't see any difference at all in everyday usage. So let's talk about the shooting capabilities of the smartphone. This phone has a triple camera setup with 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro lenses. Of all the lenses given here, I found the main camera to be the champion overall. The primary lens delivers excellent daylight images with warm colors, good details, and sharpness. These images are good enough for everyday usage and especially in the morning conditions where enough light is allowed to pass through. Although the low light performance suffers a lot with softened images, noise, and reduced details. You can, however, mitigate this to some extent with AI night mode on. The front 20 megapixel camera takes decent selfies but smoothens spatial details with noise evident in low light conditions. Overall, the POCO X7 camera shines in daylight with excellent color reproduction and detail, making it a reliable choice for casual photography. While the low light performance is decent, it reflects the cost effective design aimed at affordability. So, no complaints over there. Moving on to the charging and battery aspects, this model has a big 5500 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support. While the battery size is an upgrade, the fast charging speed has been reduced from 67 watts, which you get in its predecessor POCO X6. The device delivers good result in the battery benchmark test for its price bracket. It takes roughly around 50 minutes to charge from 20 to 100%, which is a decent result. For my usage, this phone easily lasts an entire day, and I'm not even an average user. I play games and browse internet a lot, so that's a big thumbs up for me. Overall, it's good to have a big battery paired up with a decent charging speed, but one thing is not clear here. I don't know why POCO has reduced its charging capabilities from 67 watts given in its predecessor to 45 watts. I think it would be even better if we get the same charging capabilities in this device as well. So in conclusion, this is a solid phone and it can handle anything you throw at it. It has a solid performance factors, good operating system, decent battery and charging aspects and more. So if you are looking for a quality phone with decent price tag, then this phone is for you.